Hi everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sync slicers in Power BI report. So what does this sync slicers mean? In some reports, there might be multiple pages and all those pages might have a common slicer. So instead of creating that slicer in each of the page, we create it in one main page and use the same slicer and sync the same slicer in all the pages. So that's what we are going to do today. And now let's see how to do that in Power BI. Without any delay, let's get started.
If you look at my screen here, this is a sample COVID-19 US tracking report. I got this report from Microsoft site. You can also go there and download it if you want to practice it. And this report, it has two pages. One is the main page and the other one is county page. So this main page, it gives you the total details of COVID-19 cases of entire USA, whereas this county view, it gives the county level details of COVID-19 cases. So our requirement in this report is, I want to have a date slicer here on the top, so that if I select a certain date in the main page, I want the same slicer date to be reflected on county view page as well. You can say that we can have two slicers on both the reports, on each of the report, one in main and one in county view. But when you can change in one page and reflect the same values in the other page, why do it multiple times? It's easy when the report has 2 or 3 pages, but sometimes in the real world the one report might have 10 or 15 pages as well. In that case, if you can sync the slicers, it would be very beneficial. So now let's see how to do that. The first thing I do here is I will get the date slicer onto the report, onto the main report here. Right now it's a table. I'll change this visual to a date. I changed this to a date now. So this report, the main report, has a date slicer now. And if you look at the county view, it doesn't have this date slicer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this visual, on this slicer visual, and if you go to view on top, and there's an option called sync slicers. You click on the sync slicers, and on whatever page you want to use the slicer, you can just check that. And if you don't want the slicer to be seen in the county view, you can leave this one, the one which has an eye symbol. You can leave this checkbox blank. You don't have to select this. If you want to see the slicer in this page as well, you can select this one. And now that's all. You just have to save the report and you're done. Now if you go to county view, you see this visual as well, and I'm changing the dates in county view here, changing the dates. And if you look at this, even in the main report, the slicer dates have changed. So this is how you sync the slicers between different pages in a single report.
I hope now you know how to sync slicers in Power BI. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.